Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a folder through Gmail. Now, Gmail doesn't allow sending entire folders directly, but don't worry, we have a simple workaround. By zipping the folder first, we can turn it into a single file that can be emailed easily. Let's get started and make this process quick and simple. First, locate the folder on your computer that you want to send. It could be on your desktop or somewhere in your documents. Just make sure you know exactly where it is. Once you've found the folder, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Send To, and then click on Compressed, Zipped Folder. This will create a zip file of your folder, compressing all its contents into a single, manageable file. Now that your zip file is ready, it's time to head over to Gmail. Open your browser and log into your Gmail account. From your inbox, click the Compose button, usually at the top left corner, to start a new email. In the new email window, enter the recipient's email address carefully. Double-check it to make sure your folder ends up in the right inbox. Next, add a subject line and a message. The subject line should be clear, something like, "Here's the folder you requested." In the body of the email, it's a good idea to write a brief note explaining what you're sending and any other important details. This keeps your communication professional and clear. Now, let's attach the zip file. Click on the paperclip icon at the bottom of the email window. This opens a browser window where you can navigate to your zip file. Select it and click Open. You'll see the file appear beneath the subject line in your email. Take a moment to review everything. Check the recipient, subject line, message, and attachment to make sure it's all correct. Finally, click Send. And that's it. You've successfully sent a folder through Gmail by converting it into a zip file. This method makes sharing folders quick, easy, and convenient, especially when you need to send multiple files at once. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to make your Gmail experience even better.